Taurus, happy winter solstice. Yes, another year of magic, wonder, and divine blessings are upon us. It's the winter solstice in the Western Hemisphere. We are welcoming the sun back. Yay! It's about time. It's been dark and gloomy, so we're looking forward to the longer days. The sun, the spring, the summer. Your reading, Taurus Collective, Sun, Moon, Rising, is general, it's timeless. Whenever you come across this, there will be a message here, there will be something that resonates. Take from it what you need when you need it. Okay. 8 tarot cards to look at, couple of oracles towards the end, so we can get some more clarification. Some confirmation for the lovely Taurians. Okay, starting you off. Oh, that's interesting. You have the Tower twice. Oh, Taurus, change, change, change. Have you forgotten to do some repairs? Have you forgotten to put something right? Have you put stuff on the back burner? Obstacles, blocks, setbacks, barriers. Have you not felt like facing them? Yeah, perhaps you weren't in the mood. Perhaps you haven't got the finances to make the necessary repairs or adjustments to your life. Or you didn't have the opportunity. Or you've just said, well, I'll deal with it later. But you can't say that anymore, because the longer you put this off, this particular situation, it may be different for everybody out there, every Taurian, but this situation needs to be dealt with. It needs to be looked at. It needs to be dissected. It needs to be come to terms with. It needs to be worked through. It needs to be processed. The Hermit, or the alien in this deck, this is the Starman tarot, heavily influenced by David Bowie. So, the Hermit, you want to retreat, you want to recuperate, you want to rest, you want to replenish your energy, you want to follow your own guiding light. You want to walk to the tune of your own drum. You want to retreat from the world. You want to get away from situations, because you feel the walls are closing in maybe. Things are getting too hectic. High Priestess, she who knows, that is your intuition. So, your hunches, your insight, your instinct, your perceptiveness, your sensitivity, your discernment. It's all something that you can use now. Listen to your inner voice, follow your own guiding light. The Hermit does that, the High Priestess does that. Lots of things you use your intuition for. You believe in yourself, you believe in your intuition. You act on it. Princess of Cups, that's a messenger, messenger of love, messenger of emotional strength. So this could be a message from friends, family, lovers, work colleagues, someone who's close to you. It's a lovely message. It has a healing aspect to it. From someone who knows you very well. It's the extra cup of self-love with the rainbow coming out of. So, strengthen your emotions, strengthen your spiritual support here. Four of Wands, paying attention to your environment, making improvements, making repairs to the environment. So could have something to do with building, decorating, moving stuff around, making sure that your home, your base, your place of home is your sanctuary, that you feel comfortable, things are arranged your way, and you're happy in that situation. So we've looked at the Tower twice here. 6 of Cups, reminiscing about the past, your childhood, connecting back to the inner child, seeing things with innocent eyes, seeing things from perspective of black and white. There's no sort of doubt about how you feel about your life. You have a definitive vision of the life you've had and the life you want to have. So there could be changes afoot here. I mean, a new cycle could be starting here for you. You could be making changes in your life. Oh my God, and the sun is coming. That's just wonderful. Celebration. Inner release of blockages. Optimism, positivity, opportunities, possibilities. Feeling good, living in the here and now. Celebrating the here and now, looking forward to the future, looking forward to the new year, where I feel you'll be making a lot of changes, especially in your living environment. Okay, we have surrender, and we have boundaries. Ooh, this is interesting. Okay, surrendering to the divine, going with the flow whenever you need to. Doesn't apply to the Tower moments, because there you have to take definitive physical action, I feel. Shifting things around. Even if it's just making change in your circle of friends, anything like that, but it'll be a physical manifestation. But surrendering to the divine, this is more spiritual. It's going to make you more balanced, feel you more stable, harmonious, relaxed, content, and focused. Boundaries. Your boundaries, their boundaries. Do you have boundaries? Do you honor your boundaries? Do you honor other person's boundaries? You need to pay attention either to other people's boundaries or to your own boundaries. So, wow, there's some interesting messages here for this winter solstice. Yeah, the sun is definitely coming back. It's coming back into your life, especially. Even if you don't expect it, it's going to happen. But yes, some of these things you have to surrender to the divine, especially when it comes to love, emotional feelings, and spirituality. So, Taurus, it's been a pleasure reading for you. Once again, happy winter solstice. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I shall see you in the new year, hopefully. And until then, take very good care. Bye-bye.